guys ever felt alone? Don't you worry. That cloud right there feels all alone. Well, I just thought about this. Maybe it's an alien dressed as a cloud. What do you think, beloved?
I think so.
Okay, see, support. That's what I'm talking about.
Hello, welcome to our booth. How can we help you?
All I have to say, that electrical wire up there, full of crows. All that. I would hate to live in those streets. I don't know. Somebody told me there wasn't going to be any traffic over here.
It's not supposed to look.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Did you refresh?
Just look, it's
Didn't.
still yellow.
Morning fights with a wife. That's putting Loma over there. Hey, remember I had to tie my shoelace and I had to support myself in the pole?
Oh, you want the coffee? Or...
Oh, I finished it already. Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you, though. Let's go. Yeah, folks, this is our whole setup. I must say we are the envy of most vendors.
My name is Joaquin and I just bought a wallet.
Hey, thank you so much for supporting small businesses. What color you got?
Black.
Too little.
Hi, I'm the Skeptical Owl. You can find me on Instagram, and I love the Italy market, and I love these wallets. Come and get your own. Just about anything inside.
So, sun surveyor light, I think that's what it's called. If it's not, please don't be angry. It tells me that the sun is gonna come in that angle and they'd be right there, and it's gonna sunset right over there. But we are here till about 1:30. It's gonna be back at this building. If it's gonna be right about right there, I don't think we're gonna have to put a wall for that much. And just like the app said, it's right in back of that building. It's like around 11 something right now. Pay the parking meter. Pay the parking meter. It's the beast. I had to get the extra battery for the GoPro because I'm gonna transfer some footage. ¿Cómo andamos? Buenos días. What? So in this video, I'm going to show you really quick how we came up with this catch-all trays or valet trays. Keys change jewelry at the end of the day. Some people go ahead and use it when they're going to go ahead and play their board games with their dice. All right, let me show you. So you start off with a very nice piece of leather. You cannot go too thin. It has to be kind of thick. The reason is once you fasten the fasteners, if it's too thin, it's going to start caving in right here. That's right. Now we use real leather, so you're going to have natural markings. See, on this part of the cowhide, this is where the neck part, so say this is a cow, this part right here, where my wrist is at, you see how it has wrinkles right there when it turns? Just like the cow in its head. This will be the wrinkles part to it. This will be the other part. We're going to go ahead and make the catch-all tray off of this part right here. The best way not to overcut and misuse leather is to have some kind of template. See, that's going to be the measurements. I'm just going to trace the template, cut away, and then I'm going to go ahead and slide and then puncture the holes.
Hi, my name is Linda. I'm from Ranch and Sea, and I just bought one of these. What?
Well, thanks so much. Thank you for supporting small businesses. Now let's go ahead and mark the holes so we can punch them out.
Hi, my name is Marie, and I just stumbled upon a thin leather design, and I'm super excited that I found some fun finds for today. So if you haven't checked them out, come on by and give them a shot, and you will love what you purchase.
To go with this espresso brown, we're going to use like a brass color to it. But before we put the fasteners on, we have to go and sew the edge for detail.
Your sons are firefighters? Yeah.
Hi everyone, I just bought a new business card holder. It's super soft and I expect it to last me forever.
What we're doing here, we're cleaning off the edge for a nice smooth edge finish. All right, now for the fasteners. There's two sets. There's, you can say the female and then the male part. There's two parts for each. There it is. That is how we make our catch-all trays. They're great because you could travel with them, you know. Keys, change, jewelry, a broken Apple TV remote, anything fits right in there. And when you're ready to travel, just go ahead and flatten it out, throw in the luggage, roll it up, slide it in wherever. But there it is. All right, let's call it a day. You ready to go?
I'm ready. Let's pack it up. I'll be your next.
Everyone is now breaking down, getting ready to leave. Just like Sophia said, OB, here we come.
I am Kanika from Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm so glad that I came to the farmer's market and got this beautiful handmade leather wallet. I'm so excited.
Ocean Beach. And just like that, my beautiful wife found parking.
Hi, my name is Ethan, and this is what I got.
Thank you so much for your support. All right, my loves, it's that time. What do you feel like having for food or for lunch or for dinner or whatever we call this?
I don't know. Surprise me.
Huh. Okay. All right, let's see. Craving it for the longest time, and I think I'm ready for it again. Oh yeah, let's go get us a plate of the IG. Let me show you which one the IG is.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
And do it. All right, may I please get the IG?
Of course. Is that all for you, sir?
That's it.
Awesome. This order is $25.77.
Perfect. Thank you. So we're here with Maui. Please talk to us. How long have you been in business for?
We've been in business for about 9 years now, going on 10.
What prompted you to start doing this?
Runs in my blood. I went to culinary school, and my family owns a catering business in Maui also. So, tired of working for someone else and started my own business.
What would you suggest to somebody who wants to start doing something like this in their own type of specialty?
I would say choose something that you're really passionate about, and choose something that it's not like work, and it's more makes you happy, and then do it and make some money off of it.
Perfect. Now, you do have a YouTube channel. Where can people find you?
They can find us at Island Life on the YouTube channel, and then also on Instagram is Island Life Foods, and we also have a TikTok.
Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to put it right here on the bottom.
Yep.
And what is your delicious selection right there? What is your famous one?
We have our IG plate, which is the one that you got. It has a little bit of everything. It has our chicken, tri-tip, pork ribs, rice, spam musubi, mac salad, and both shoyu and spicy poke.
And the amazing thing about this, he will go ahead and make it custom. I always get it with extra tri-tip. He always hooks it up. He does amazing. Once again, thank you so much for sharing your skills with all of us here at the market. One last question, where can people find you at in the markets? Which markets are you in?
So we're on Wednesdays at Ocean Beach from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and Hillcrest from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's
Perfect. Hey, thank you so much.
All right, brother.
Thank you so much. Absolutely. Not like it needs it, but I always sprinkle just a little bit right there.
What you get? What you get?
Try it out. Check it out.
You got Island Life Foods.
Yes. And what is, wait, hold on. What exactly are you gonna get here? What's your fave?
Tri-tip.
All right, get the forks on the bottom. Oh, she's dancing. That's it. She's dancing. This is why I love this plate. It has everything in it. Land, sea, more land.
I do, yeah. 6 to 8 carbs and a little bit of cash.
Absolutely beautiful work they do. With this rib, they're cooked perfectly. It's like they're not overdone, they're not hard, it's just right. I love this. She mad because I didn't leave here anymore. Okay, I'm sorry, but next time I'll get you. So, thumbs up or thumbs down? Absolutely thumbs up?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. It's empty. And like I said, they always customize the order. I always get extra tri-tip. You definitely have to try the tri-tip. It is cold. It is night. Wifey Pooh working super extra. Any idea how many wallets I can make out of all this? Especially this one. Look at this one. Beautiful. All right, that's it. Let's call it a night. We're done. How was today for you?
A little slow, but we made our goal. We're ready for Saturday, though.
Right, because all we have to do is this, right? Inventory. Everything else is pretty packed.
Yep. Oh, and the coin.
Oh, and the coin wallet is just the only one we have left. All right. Love you. Oh, love the. Oh, that was cute.